Good morning everyone. Today is our class of HTML. We will discuss about list. What is list? Lists are used to present list of information in well formed and systematic way. Means if you want to your data in a sequence, then we use list here. Lists are two types: unordered list or ordered list. Unordered list, we use UL tag to represent it and ally tag used for represent list item. Unordered list, it is used to group a set of related items in not in a particular order, not in a particular sequence. Its type can be square, circle or disk. By default, its type circle. Our next list is order list. Order list, it represented by OL tag and list item also represented by LI tag. It is used to group a set of related items in a specific order or in a sequence. Its attributes are type and start. Start for using which number you want to be. Start from there your value. Type. Type can be capital letter used for all the your bullet shows in the capital. A small letter, it shows A B C D E. Like if you want to be Roman number, then you use capital letter and a small I here. By default, its sequence order is 1 2 3, that is the numeric order. Now how can we start our notepad where we create a web page? So go to start option, then click on all program, accessories and notepad. When we click on notepad, after that a window will be appear of notepad. Then now we start our content writing here. First we write here HTML tag, then head tag, then title tag. Our title is here creating nested list. Nested list means list in a list. We are using here both lists in a one file. Now close our title and close your head tag. Now start our main content tag, that is known as body tag. I'm using here center. Center is an alignment. Whatever I'm writing here, it shows between in center. Ehsan Public School, center tag is closed. Now I will start here unordered list, so I use here UL tag, then type this. Ally list item indoor activities. Remember always your order list and unordered list both are a container tag, and container tag always having starting tag and closing tag, and ally tag is an empty tag. Empty tag is having only starting tag, there is no closing tag. So continue our web page. OL tag, order list, type, Roman number we are using here, small I we choose here. Then ally carom, ally tag chess, ally tag painting and list item craft. Now I close here my order list. Then I create another list item outdoor activities. Again I start here order list and type is choosing capital A and start value is 5. Why I am writing here 5? I already explained. If you write any value here, then start from there. 5 means A, B, C, D, E. Now our content will be start from E. Now list item basketball, next list item lawn tennis, ally tag another cricket and another list item swimming. Now I close my order list, then I close my unordered list, body tag and HTML. Now how to save my file? I go to file menu option, click on save or save as, then select our location on the top. Then I write here name in a file name wikihow code.html because it's in a web page file. Save as type, I select here all type, then click on save option. Now I can see on desktop in a square you can see easily there is an icon of Internet Explorer. It's my file here. I double click here and my file will be open. Otherwise, I right click here and then click on open. My file will be open, and now we can see easily our output here. Asan Public School, that line which I write in the center alignment. Then indoor activities is an unordered list. It's use this type. Then order list start. I choose here small Roman I letter, carom, chess, painting, craft. Then again start my answer unordered outdoor activities, and then EFGH. Why is here no EFGH? Because I write there in capital letter A and start value 5. So hope you enjoy. Try to do practical at your home. If you like my channel, my video, please students like it and subscribe it. Have a good day. Thank you.